Hi everyone! This week we are going to be looking at the fantastic online. Just like J.K. Rowling's alchemy grows and shrinks to fit the available space in Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them, the fantastic has transformed to fill online spaces, contracting and expanding and meeting the new demands of this media. And that relationship between the fantastic and the virtual is something that you should be exploring today. Because if the fantastic is something that is beyond our reality, is the virtual something that is also in some ways beyond our physical reality? A strange sort of gateway into the fantastic? A space where we can be someone who we're not? Where we can have an avatar that doesn't look like us, that doesn't live in the same world, and experience the fantastic and yet not? What is this relationship, and is it still fantastic if we're able to virtually experience it, or is it becoming something else? As you wrestle that out, there are no wrong answers. Experience these online spaces for yourself. And think about your final project. Think about ways you can use the different things we addressed today in presenting your argument in a new, creative, interactive way that will get people to think about the concept, the argument you're giving, and engage with it, especially now when we are bound to these virtual spaces and unable to get together physically the same. Next week, we're going to be launching into scholarly research. We're going to be looking at how do you find these scholarly texts? What do you do with these? How do you prepare for that final scholarly presentation, which will then come into your, you'll be tying it into the paper that you create. But right now, we're working with primary online resources. We're working with how do you experience the online, and then what of that can you use towards your final paper? Can't wait to see what you find out. And don't be afraid to take this off in angles that perhaps interest you, because the online experience is as diverse, as exciting as the different users who engage in it. And if there's something that you want to bring in to this, go for it this week. Have a good one.